background industrial hum plus metallic rotation sound. Inside every powerful machine, there is one rotating component silently carrying energy. Pause. A motor may generate power, but without a shaft, that power cannot reach the machine. Slow cinematic zoom on rotating shaft. This rotating steel member transmits torque, motion, and power from one machine component to another. And that is why the shaft becomes the backbone of industrial machinery. Power transmission begins the moment a motor starts rotating. The motor generates rotational energy, but the real task of carrying that energy is performed by the shaft. As the shaft rotates, it transfers torque and motion from the driving machine to the driven component. This is how industrial machines communicate motion. The coupling connects the motor to the shaft, while the shaft becomes the pathway through which rotational power travels. Finally, the driven machine receives this energy and performs useful work. In every industry, from pumps and conveyors to turbines and gearboxes, this rotating power flow is the heart of machine operation. But what actually makes the shaft capable of transmitting power? The answer is torque. Torque is the twisting force that causes a shaft to rotate. T is equal to F times R. It depends on two important factors: force and the distance from the center of rotation. Shaft grid begins twisting slowly. As torque increases, the shaft experiences higher twisting stress. This twisting action creates shear stress inside the shaft material. The outer surface of the shaft experiences the highest stress, which is why shaft material selection becomes extremely important. In heavy industrial machines, shafts continuously transmit massive torque while rotating at high speed. That is why shafts are designed using strong engineering materials to resist torsion, fatigue, and failure. Without torque transmission, industrial machinery simply cannot operate. Now let's see how power actually travels through an industrial machine. The process begins at the motor, where electrical energy is converted into rotational motion. The coupling connects the motor shaft to the transmission shaft, allowing torque to transfer smoothly between rotating components. As the shaft rotates, it carries this twisting energy through the machine. This rotating shaft becomes the main pathway for power transmission. When gears or pulleys are mounted on the shaft, the transmitted torque drives additional machine components. This is how motion spreads through industrial systems, from conveyors and pumps to turbines and heavy machinery. The same power transmission principle is used everywhere. Without shafts, mechanical power could never reach the working machine. As shafts rotate at high speed, they require proper support and alignment. This support is provided by bearings. Bearings reduce friction, support rotating motion, and help the shaft rotate smoothly under load. They also carry radial and axial forces generated during machine operation. But industrial machines often require multiple shafts to work together. That is where couplings become essential. Couplings connect rotating shafts and transmit torque from one shaft to another. They also help compensate for small misalignments, while reducing vibration and shock loads. Together, shafts, bearings, and couplings form the foundation of industrial power transmission systems. In modern industry, shafts are used in almost every rotating machine. Conveyor systems use shafts to transfer power and move heavy materials continuously. In pumps, shafts transmit rotational energy from the motor to the impeller that moves fluids. Turbine shaft. In turbines, massive shafts carry enormous torque, while rotating at extremely high speeds. Gearboxes rely on multiple rotating shafts to control speed in chemical and food industries. Mixer shafts continuously rotate to blend materials efficiently. From manufacturing plants to power stations to transportation systems, industrial machinery depends on reliable shaft power transmission. That is why shafts are considered the backbone of mechanical engineering systems. Movie camera, join our upcoming live engineering session scheduled from 12th June 2026 for Learning Mechanical Parts and Assembly Designing using SolidWorks 2026. Bell subscribe and turn on notifications. If you found this video useful, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon to receive future engineering related updates.